Beautiful weather. Wait, are we good? Are we live?
We are live.
Beautiful weather we're having. Wonderful S'mores and Moors event here in beautiful sunny side Helen, Montana. It's middle of flippin' September, and we thought we were gonna have a nice day. And boy, is it beautiful.
This is our first real Flying Appreciation party, so it's not even really a party. It's kind of a casual hangout, come down open house style at the Crooked Furrow, which is a new brewery in town. Check it out for sure. Just kind of a come in, hang out, let me say thank you, buy you a beer, have some s'mores.
What are we doing anyway?
I was gonna do a chubby bunny. I was gonna do a chubby bunny when we were outside, but now I don't really want to. Chubby bunny, chubby bunny?
Yeah, just say chubby bunny every time.
Chubby bunny. You just gotta tuck it in the cheeks. I'm not eating these. These are not going in my belly. 2 chubby bunnies. Chubby bunnies. Too many. There's only 4. Mini marshmallows. What's on
Go away.
Okay, so what are we doing here, Chubby Bunny? Just mumble and I'll translate it. It'll be hilarious.
You want a rag?
No problem.
Okay. Look, we might be silly sometimes, but we're really good at that job. How am I doing?
Amazing. You did really good.
Stay tuned for the next fun event from Aubrey, Hutchison Real Estate.
Awesome.